Hello, my dear plant lovers. The weather is getting warmer, the hours of sunlight is getting longer. Our plants entering into the active growth phase, and there are a few things we can do to help them to get a better awakening, grow many new leaves, get in the best shape and radiant state. Today I will talk about how to get your plants ready for spring and what we should do so our plants look amazing and beautiful and thrive. Also, I will let you know when it is safe to take your house plant outdoors if this is something you like to do during warm seasons. If this is your first time watching our videos, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Juliet. I am the founder of My City Plants. Here I am sharing with you my tips about how to decorate with plants, how to grow healthy and happy plants. So subscribe to our channel, keep the notifications on so you do not miss any new videos. Now let me tell you about the simple 6 steps I take to get my plants ready for spring. First, I start with deep cleaning. For this step, I use water, mild dish soap, and a paper towel or soft cloth. Soap helps to remove any dirt, dust, or pests, if any, of course. So add a drop or two of dish soap into a bowl of water and use this solution to clean your plant well. Don't forget to clean both sides of leaves, stems as well. Deep cleaning not only makes your plant look fresh, but also prevents pest infestation. Next is pruning and trimming to get my plants in perfect shape. Make sure your scissors or pruners are sharp and clean your tools with rubbing alcohol before use. When trimming a leaf, follow its natural shape so it does not look like you have butchered it. Leaves that are mostly yellow dry, remove those completely. If you want to learn about how to trim the leaves of your plants, you may watch my video How to Trim Leaves Like a Pro, and the link is in the video description. Annual pruning helps to maintain desired height and width of my plants. Here I am pruning back some overgrown stems of my snake plant. Pruning is good for all plants. It forces plants to grow new stems, leaves, and helps to get plants in a fuller shape. I always prune back vines of cascading plants like pothos to keep its top full and beautiful. The third step is to add fresh soil if the soil level is low. I make sure to remove any dead leaves before adding a fresh layer of my favorite potting mix. It is important to keep the soil level up to provide a good coverage for the roots, keep it clean and free of any debris. After you are done with these steps, don't forget to clean pots and saucers. Wipe clean the surface as well. Next step is fertilizing my plants. I love and use good dirt plant food. Mix it with water and feed my plants every time they are ready to be watered. I feed my plants from March till the end of September while they are actively growing. By the way, I have made a separate video about when and how to fertilize houseplants. You will find the link to that video in the video description as well. Important note, if your plants are potted in self-watering planters, you should add fertilizer solution directly into the reservoir. Now on to pest prevention. Spring is also an active season for pests, and I want to keep those unwanted guests away from my plants. Neem oil is a great repellent for all kinds of pests. I lightly spray leaves, stems, and topsoil with neem oil on average once every 2-3 weeks to prevent any pest attack. The last step is about repotting. Even though the houseplants can be repotted any time of year, spring and summer are the two best seasons to do it. While plants are in the active growth phase, they can adapt to the new pot much faster. Looks like my Dracena Lisa plant needs a bigger pot for its long roots. Now let me tell you when you can bring your houseplants outside. When the outside temperature is above 60 degrees Fahrenheit and steady, you can take your plants outside and keep them there to enjoy the warm weather. Now you know what to do, so clear out your day and get to work. Your plants will love you for this. Grow you many new leaves and flowers for you to enjoy. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your plants. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.